topic is that as a Pakistani, you should be speaking English or not. So the format is the leader house will be speaking for 3.30 minutes and will be giving points in favor of the topic. And then opposition leader from the other side will be defending the topic for 3.30 minutes. Then the debate will be open in the house. Our contestants will be discussing the points and they'll be debating with each other. And afterwards, my leader house will be concluding that 2 minutes. And the opposition leader will also conclude that for 2 minutes. So now hereby I invite my leader of house to come here and open the house.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Raza. I am the student of intermediate. I am the leader of house and I would like to share my points. First of all, I would like to tell you that our language has its own culture and has its own background. And why English considered the international language, it has its own culture and background. Listen, people who know any other language but not English language have to learn the English language to improve their status, to find a job, to earn money. And if we observe our education system, then as a Pakistani, if we observe our education system, then we will surprise that our education system is totally converted into English language, like medical and engineering field. And in other point of view, if we observe the English countries, then we have to import technology, all the technology like locomotive technology, airplane technology, computer technology, mobile technology from other countries. They are all mostly English people. We are not able to get that. We make such a needle. We're not able because we are lazy person. And we have to import all the technology from other person. And if we know English better, then we will overcome the problem which arise from their technology, from their machineries, etc. And the next point I would like to share is that if you are the fan of any celebrity of the world like Hollywood, Bollywood, then to express your feelings, you have to use English language because they do not know your language, your national language, which is Urdu. They know only international language, which are the proud of them, of total the celebrity. And the next point I would like to share with you is that by learning English, we're able to do that we can find job easily in any high rank company, because when you go for interview in any high rank company, then there are first psychologist, interviewer, they ask questions in English. They check your ability that you know English language, which is the international language of the world, which is the global language. They check your ability.
Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
Can you give their answer? And in final, I would like to tell you that you must learn this language. You must learn English language better to survive in the world easily.
That's it. You should invite opposition leader.
I would like to invite the opposition leader, Miss Maya. Please come here.
My name is Swayam. I am the leader of opposition. First and all, they are living in Pakistan and not an international. We discuss international language about English. But we are living in Pakistan, so many 70 people are living in illiterate, and they have no idea speaking and writing and read English. Why do we have and promote to Urdu language? Why don't discuss to English language? And 70 people they are illiterate, so they are not engineer, they not doctor, they are a very population and population is used to Urdu. And if you suppose if you suppose 70 people only about Urdu. Why explain in English and or you have no in English and why explain any situation to explain to English language. You can say English language is a global language, but we are living in Pakistan. So why do we have used to English?
Last question.
You can go there. Okay, now the house is open. Cross questions. Please start your
Say
questions.
that you are living in Pakistan. Then you have to live in Pakistan. All the life you have to live in Pakistan. When you go abroad for visit, then here all
The
the
people also go to America and Saudi Arabia and they find that I'm not terrorist, I'm not terrorist.
mostly people. I would like
Mostly
that.
people, most
For what purpose you
Pakistan
come
is
here?
there
For what purpose you come here?
Pakistan, they are over to Pakistan. You got it.
For
Seven-
I have
seven-
I have one question. Please tell me the answer of this question. For what purpose you come here? Can you tell me?
Purpose I not discuss. You as a Pakistani, I am a Pakistani.
Yeah.
So as a Pakistani, I am not enter Domino.
Yeah.
As a Pakistani, not.
You-
Domino's and Domino's enters everything languages. Okay. That's why your American, they are interested.
English language
Not a
must
restriction
have-
to Pakistani.
must have to learn
Not a restriction.
all Pakistani.
We are learn.
You
We
are-
are read. We are also more about knowledge to English. But doesn't matter who I am. Who I am born to Saudi Arabia. Who I am born to America. Doesn't matter.
Have you observed your education system? Your O-level system, English.
Even in Saudi Arabia, are deserving to they can afford it.
Okay. Rest of us will also be speaking.
Have you observed?
They are just living, they can't afford it to engineering,
70% of
and
our
IT.
country population is illiterate. They even don't know Urdu, then how they can speak English and they got success in their
I
life.
should tap for the good one. Yes.
We are saying that as a Pakistani, it is good to speak English in Pakistan. We are not saying that English should be our first language. We are saying if 70 people or person are illiterate, we should educate them.
We should educate them.
Urdu.
First, we should educate them about the language.
She is lying. Not 70 people are illiterate.
70%
Okay,
population
listen.
You explain.
Do you agree for
I have already
70 people are person.
And do you think if 30% people is not illiterate, do you think they all are not successful?
If you are saying,
Okay, okay.
I give the example of Mr.
if
Abdul
you are saying
Salam.
English is not for us,
Okay, wait, let's see.
then why do we learn it? It's a need. Yes, who made it? It's a need of
I want to think. I want
why we made it our why we made it our
I don't want to. It's not me. I want.
Listen to one person and reply.
our and in other country is not an English country. If you are saying, if I am saying, if I say is China is not English country, why then?
Japan is not English country.
Chinese, I say all countries
Pakistan has a standard of Chinese level. You should get a standard of Japanese level. Look at your economy. Look at your education.
They are supporting their own English.
As our leader said that
My brother, they are supporting their own English, not other English.
Our leader said that we can't get a single leader. So how can you compare Pakistan to China?
Why we cannot?
We are
If you are not clear at yourself, you cannot do anything.
Listen,
You are not able to this yet. That you if you are saying listen, you are saying that we cannot get any common jobs in Pakistan.
Yes,
We cannot.
because we don't have vacancies in Pakistan. We
Please,
have to
please,
apply
please.
foreign
If you are applying, listen, if you are applying for
vacancies
vacancies,
in education. So if you don't know English, how can we apply for vacancies and jobs?
if you are applying for foreign countries, if you are applying,
If
unfortunately,
first
if you go to China,
first listen to me and understand my point.
Wait, listen to
We don't have education system, higher education system, too many vacancies. Every Pakistani need to go abroad for study and education or job.
Good point.
If you
Clap for
don't-
it.
खेती बाड़ी like type of if you don't know English, we have to run with modern era. We have to accept English language. We don't say that use the Urdu and just adopt the English. English doesn't say that don't love your mother tongue. We said Urdu is our first language. After that, English is our compulsion. We can't survive in this modern era without English.
Yes.
On international platform, if you don't know English, so there is no difference between you and a dumb person. On international platform.
It's a weakness. It's a weakness.
I said it's our compulsion.
If you are saying you are not higher education, you are applying to foreign country for higher education.
Okay. Can you tell me some? I can prove and show many benefits of English. Can you advise me this advantage of English?
Why not?
Please advise.
We are losing our national English.
We are adapting English language.
No.
I will give you an example.
Wait, listen to her. Listen to her.
We are adapting English language. When we are adapting English language, then English culture is diffusing in our lives.
Very good. Good
Okay,
point. Yeah.
okay.
And you should not speak. You should speak now.
It's up to you, totally up to you. How you use all the technologies. You have a television. This is totally up to you. This technology you can use this as a positive manner, and this is totally up to you. You can use this negatively. This is not English countries.
करीब 100 ग्राम कर रहे हैं एक रतन फरवरी के पर्सनल में आ जाऊंगा
They are not
कॉल हम आपसे
destroying our
जल्दी से आओ।
मुझे ऊपर बुला लीजिए ऊपर बुला लीजिए
नहीं है गाड़ियों
We
की
are
Go for the
If
channel.
you are a member of our past, when East India company is coming in subcontinent, then what will happen?
We all know
They
English
abuse
very
our
well.
lives.
Our
We
leaders
become
have
slaves
their
for
own
100 years.
knowledge.
Can you believe this?
Okay. Aliola, can I say something? You said that because of English, we are adapting English and we are leaving our culture. As your leader said that 70% of people are illiterate in Pakistan, and all of you know that we have
It's
already...
not true. It's not true.
Pakistan has already lost its culture in every family, in every drama. Family, there is an Indian media, Indian culture. So if the 70 people
But what is
we are
their own
adopting
culture?
Indian
They are
culture
not
because of,
promoting
not because of
English
English
culture.
language, not because of English language. You are adopting Indian culture because of Indian media, Indian dramas and film industry, not because of English. If this is because of English, as your leader said, that 70 people of Pakistan are illiterate. So how it became that because
How
of
many
English
English do you
we
watch?
ruined our culture?
How
They
many?
know Urdu language and that dramas are in Hindi. They know that language and they adopt this thing.
We have last 5
You
minutes to
are
discuss.
totally bound with the
Okay.
He said, my Gurudev said that 70% are illiterate. How she can say? If a man doesn't know about his national language, then how he can learn about it? If he have not any kind of knowledge of his language, he doesn't know. Listen, my wait. Listen, my
Yes, we have made that situation.
English language.
So just wait. Let us question. Yes, wait. You are asking something?
It doesn't matter you don't know English language, you don't know your native language, because there are so many people, we have so many examples, people don't know your language. Mr. Patel Khan went America and take a
And
part
he
in,
can't able to say English. Then why he is so popular?
he just sang a song in Urdu language, but English, Britishers don't know English, Urdu. After a while, they are dancing on his song.
Most of the song is not in English. They
Okay,
are in Punjabi and people
Aziz Mian Kawal, he is the one man who is Guinness Book of the World Record. He sang Kawali more than 3 hours. And the person, the lady who was recording his Kawali said how long is your query? Because I am not understanding your query, but I am still your fan.
Why?
Because we can
Because it's often standard not for English.
You are-
People know
Okay,
that
okay,
for
okay,
English.
okay.
They are for English. Why is
That
it
was the reason of
Do you think
English
it's
language.
everywhere giving charity, giving charity?
Everybody-
No.
every-
People know,
every-
but he's working in Pakistan. People don't know he's speaking in English and all these things.
Well, let me say something. You said that Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan was popular. He didn't know English. So that's the disadvantage of us. As you.
Why? He's not popular. You are popular figure in the
I am
world.
going to give you example.
Please,
Okay, Ali, now you should
Yeah,
stand
and
and
there are lots of people praising him.
Time is over. Time is over.
Now our leader house will conclude. Yes, Samaya.
I would like to conclude that language play an important role in the life. Language play an important role in the life, and therefore English considered the English international language of the world. We should learn this language. If we are not if we are unable to learn, if we don't know English language, then we are unable to read just a single message, to read the name of medicine. Then therefore we should learn English for communication. We should,
Very good.
and this is how we should learn better English. And the final fact is that we should learn English better because the problem is internet. Internet gives us all the very important information, and that information are totally converted into the English language. Therefore we should know better English language to gain knowledge, and to gain knowledge about their inhabitants, that how they survive, on how they rely on their own resources. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. That's where you should invite
And
opposition leader.
now I'm inviting Miss Maya, please come.
My last will say our language is Urdu. So we are promoting, we are first responsibility.
Listen, quietly listen.
We are first responsibility we are promoting to Urdu language because this is what our national language, not English, not our national language.
Then if we
As a Pakistani, you promote Urdu language.
Okay, Priya, you have concluded. You can go there. Now, as the House has listened to the debate, so now that's all. House has given the conclusions also. So now I ask the present teams here that how many people think that we should be speaking English in Pakistan? Raise your hand if you think that English should be spoken in Pakistan. Raise your hands if you think that English should be spoken in Pakistan. How many people think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,